Trying to make a good impression on your crush can be challenging, especially if you lack guidance or clarity on how to approach them. Most people only struggle by putting a lot of effort into impressing their crush, which can ultimately backfire and come across as needy or insincere. It's natural to experience a degree of nervousness when attempting to leave a positive impact on someone you're interested in. However, if executed incorrectly, these efforts can only make the situation worse. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 6 powerful ways to impress your crush. Make them talk. People enjoy talking about themselves, and this holds true for your crush as well. In fact, being a good listener can be a fantastic way to leave a positive impression on someone. Try asking your crush about their preferences, hobbies, and dreams. Not only will you gain more insight into who they are, but they will also feel valued and appreciated because you are genuinely interested in them. If you feel confident, you can also share some of your own interests or stories. However, it's important to remember not to dominate the conversation with talk about yourself. Make sure to give them a chance to express themselves and feel heard too. It's all about finding a balance and showing that you care about their thoughts and feelings. Ask them to help you out. According to research, people are more likely to develop a liking towards someone who has done them a favor. So, if you're looking to make a positive impression on your crush, consider asking them for a small favor. It could be something as simple as asking them to hold your drink for a moment or asking for a napkin. It's important to choose a favor that is easy and not overly demanding, ensuring that it doesn't inconvenience your crush. Offering to return the favor if possible shows your willingness to reciprocate and maintain a balanced dynamic. By making this effort, you demonstrate your care and consideration for your crush's involvement in your life. Moreover, when someone performs a favor for you, it often sparks a sense of connection and creates an opportunity for interaction. This interaction allows you to get to know your crush better and vice versa, fostering a deeper connection between the two of you. When your crush feels valued and appreciated for the favor they've done, it enhances their perception of themselves and boosts their positive feelings towards you. Don't rush things. When it comes to developing a connection with someone you're interested in, it's essential to understand the importance of taking things slowly and allowing the relationship to unfold naturally. While it's normal to experience feelings of nervousness or excitement, it's crucial not to let these emotions push you into rushing things. When you come on too strong, you run the risk of overwhelming the other person and potentially scaring them away. They might perceive your eagerness as a lack of genuine interest in getting to know them as an individual. It's important to strike a balance between showing your interest and giving them the space they need to feel comfortable. By taking the time to truly get to know them, you can gain a better understanding of their likes, dislikes, values, and aspirations. This knowledge will provide valuable insights on how to impress them in a way that resonates with who they are as a person. Impressing someone isn't about making grand gestures right from the start. It's about making a genuine connection based on shared interest, respect, and understanding. Make deep eye contact and smile. Smiling is a powerful tool when it comes to creating a positive impression. It's fascinating to know that a simple smile can have a significant impact on how others perceive you. When you genuinely smile, it not only conveys your happiness and self-assurance, but it also has the ability to uplift the mood of the person you're interacting with. Equally important is the act of making eye contact. It demonstrates your genuine interest in the other person and signifies that you are fully engaged in what they are saying or doing. Maintaining appropriate eye contact is essential for building rapport and connection, without crossing boundaries or making the other person feel uncomfortable. So, the next time you find yourself in the presence of your crush, consider the power of a warm smile. Let it reflect your genuine happiness and confidence. Additionally, don't hesitate to establish eye contact with them, showing your attentiveness and genuine interest in their presence. These simple yet impactful actions can help create a positive impression and lay the foundation for a meaningful connection. Give them genuine compliments. Sincere compliments have the power to uplift anyone's spirits, and the same holds true for your crush. Whether you're appreciating their looks, personality, or any other aspect, it's important to express genuine admiration from your heart, speaking your true feelings. However, it's crucial not to go overboard. If every conversation revolves around showering them with compliments, it may come across as insincere or excessive. It's important to strike a balance and be mindful of the frequency with which you offer compliments. They should feel natural and genuine, rather than forced or excessive. So, when you choose to compliment your crush, ensure that your words come from a place of authenticity and sincerity. Let them know the qualities you genuinely appreciate about them. But remember, moderation is key, allowing your compliments to enhance the conversation without overwhelming it. Be your true self. Many people mistakenly believe that they need to change themselves in order to gain their crush's affection. However, this approach tends to have the opposite effect. Trying too hard to be someone you're not can come across as inauthentic and disingenuous. Your crush is more likely to be turned off by such behavior rather than being genuinely attracted to it. Instead, the key is to be your true self. Being authentic allows you to showcase your true qualities and characteristics, which are unique and special to you. It's about highlighting your genuine greatness, the aspects that make you an interesting and remarkable person. By being true to yourself, you present an honest and sincere version of who you are, which is far more appealing and attractive. When you focus on being yourself, you exude confidence and authenticity. This sends a powerful message to your crush that you are comfortable in your own skin and secure in who you are. It shows that you value your individuality and are not willing to compromise your identity for the sake of someone else's approval. By being yourself, you also create a solid foundation for a potential relationship. Your crush will have the opportunity to know the real you, allowing for a deeper connection to form. When both parties can be genuine and true to themselves, it sets the stage for a more meaningful and fulfilling connection. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.